Hello guys, welcome to my channel. The basics and few exercises of this chapter I already covered in my previous video. If you want to learn those basics in simple way, you can refer to my channel. Every chapter and every exercise I start with the basics only so that you get grip on those concepts. Today I will be doing fifth question of the exercise number 2.3. But before starting that, we need to know what is division algorithm for polynomials. Division algorithm is nothing but dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This formula we would have already studied in our previous classes. In polynomials, dividend is nothing but p of x, divisor is nothing but g of x, into quotient is nothing but q of x, and remainder is nothing but r of x. And g of x is not equal to 0 and r of x can be 0 or degree of r of x is less than degree of g of x. So now I'll explain you with the help of an example. For example, let p of x be 2x square plus 3x plus 1 and let g of x be x plus 2. So we shall divide it. So 2x square plus 3x plus 1, so x plus 2. So what shall I put here so that I get 2x square? You can compare this and this. So you divide 2x square by x. So x get cancelled. So remaining is 2x. So put here 2x. So 2x into x is 2x square. Now multiplying 2x with 2. So 2x into 2 is 4x. So plus 4x. Now change the sign. Minus, minus. So 2x square minus 2x square is 0. Plus 3 minus 4 is minus 1x plus 1. Now what shall I put here so that I get this? Here only there is a difference of minus 1. So put minus 1. So minus 1 into x is minus 1x. Same way plus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Now change the sign. So minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Plus 1 plus 2 is plus 3. So now in this example, this is p of x. This is q of x. And this is g of x. And this is r of x. So whenever we divide any two polynomials, we can get either remainder as 0 or its degree of remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. For example, I'll show you here. Here, what is the degree of the remainder? It is a constant number, means degree is 0. So degree of remainder is less than degree of divisor. So the degree of the remainder is 0 and the degree of the divisor is what? It's 1. So 1. So the condition is satisfied. Now exercise number 2.3, fifth question. It says give examples of polynomial p of x, g of x, q of x and r of x which satisfy the division algorithm and also degree of p of x is equal to degree of q of x. Before starting this, I need to give you an example. Let's take p of x be 2x square plus 2. If I divide it by a constant number, I get x square. If I keep here x square, 2 into x square, I am getting x square. Same way minus, so it's 0 and plus 2. Here you see the degree of p of x is also degree of q of x when I divide with a constant number. In the same way, we have to give an example in such a way so that I get the same degree. So let's take p of x be 3x square plus 6x plus 9 and g of x be 3. So now you divide 3x square plus 6x plus 9 divided by 3. So 3 is already there. I need to put here x square. So 3x square. Then 3 2s are 6. Then x. So 3 into 2 is 6x. Same way this cancels, this cancels. The remaining is 9 plus 3. So 3 3s are is 9. So we got q of x is equal to x square plus 2x plus 3 and the remainder is 0. R of x is equal to 0. So we gave the example in which you can check the degree of p of x is what? The degree is 2, means highest power is 2. Same way, check degree of q of x. Check here, it is the highest power is 2. So we satisfied this condition, degree of p of x is equal to degree of q of x. Now division algorithm. Division algorithm is nothing but p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. In our case, p of x is what? 3x square plus 6x plus 9. G of x is what? 3. And q of x is what? X square plus 2x plus 3. And r of x is what? 0. So opening this, you are getting 3x square plus 6x plus 9 plus 0 is the same term. So it is verified. Now the next question is degree of q of x is equal to degree of r of x. Nothing but degree of quotient is equal to degree of remainder. Now first we will be giving the example of quotient and remainder. So let's take quotient be x plus 5. Here degree is 1 and let remainder be x plus 2. Here also degree is 1. So we satisfied the given condition, degree of q of x is equal to degree of r of x. Now in division algorithm we know that degree of r of x is always less than degree of g of x, or r of x is also equal to 0. Now we need to take g of x such that its degree is greater than the r of x. Suppose if I take g of x is equal to x square plus 1, its degree is what? Its degree is 2. Now you check degree of r of x is what? It's 1, less than degree of g of x is what? 2. So this condition is satisfied. Like division algorithm, one condition is satisfied. So q of x is this, r of x is this, g of x is this. With this three information, you find the p of x. How you will find p of x? Substitute in the division algorithm. So p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. So g of x is what? X square plus 1 into q of x is x plus 5 into r of x is x plus 2. So open the brackets. X square into x is what? X cube plus x square into 5 is 5x square plus 1x plus 5 plus x plus 2. So x cube plus 5x square, 1x plus 1x is 2x, 5 plus 2 is 7. So we got p of x. Now you need not verify by putting in this division algorithm because it is already verified here. So we verified this also and division algorithm also. Now the third question is degree of r of x is equal to 0. Nothing but degree of remainder is 0. So we need to give an example of remainder. Either it can be a constant or a 0. So now r of x be a constant number. Let's take 5. Its degree is 0. So the given question is satisfied. Now we need to give the other examples also. Like p of x, q of x and r of x also. So let g of x be x plus 5. So here its degree is 1. You can check because degree of r of x is less than degree of g of x. So you check degree of r of x is 0. So 0 less than degree of g of x is 1. So we have taken the correct example of g of x. Now let's take q of x be some other term like x plus 7. Now p of x we need to find. Just substitute in the division algorithm, we'll get P of x. So P of x is equal to G of x into Q of x plus R of x. So substituting, G of x is x plus 5, Q of x is x plus 7 and R of x is 5. So x in multiplying and opening the bracket, x into x is x square plus x into 7 is 7x plus 5 into x is 5x plus 7 5s are is 35 plus 5. So x square plus 7x plus 5x is 12x plus 35 plus 5 is 40. So we got P of x is this, Q of x is this, G of x is this and R of x is this. And we also satisfied the given condition in the question, and also we satisfy the division algorithm. So guys, it's not necessary that your example should match with your book back examples. It can be different also. So we have learned what is division algorithm. Division algorithm is nothing but P of x is equal to G of x into Q of x plus R of x, where R of x can be 0 or its degree of R of x is less than degree of G of x. And also we have seen 3 problems in which we have learned how to give examples of P of x, G of x, Q of x and R of x. So guys, this exercise completes here. At the end of the conclusion, I will be displaying the formulas and the concepts we discussed today. The next exercise I will be continuing in the next video. Do press the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you get the notification of my latest video. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.